Andrew Cross here. Welcome back to my channel. We just found a house right off a really busy street, but we're going in. All the windows and whatnot are smashed, but might as well check her out. Nature taking over. We got a bird's nest. Birds being pretty loud, so it must be his nest. This place is definitely graffitied up, vandalized, and falling apart for people that love decay. You know, watch for holes in the ground like that. Probably be a quick little run through, but just want to get another house for you guys. There's another swallow's nest coming out on the back deck. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's so much traffic in this area. But there's abandoned houses everywhere off of this road. It's actually crazy. Looks like there's a little sunroom down in there. Maybe I can explore the sunroom for you guys. Shit's falling apart everywhere in here though, so I got my shirt over my face and you get math soon. I think the basement in here is flooded too. Nice little sunroom. Yeah, goes down to a flooded basement. Okay, let's see what we got for rooms. There's a little closet there. Something here. Another little closet. Goes up into the attic. I saw the light and I was wondering where it's come from. All the back rooms. This place is demolished, guys. Another little closet. Bathroom with some not too good graffiti in it. Okay, so there's a little garage back here behind the house. Oh, there's a loft up in here, nice. Yeah, maybe we can see what's up there. Oh, I thought I saw a coon. See, that's what people gotta look out for, big old wells.
Look at the old.
Don't want to fall down into that.
Just used to go on top of it, I think.
That's what someone just warned me about, old rotten wood over top of wells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one here too.
Good look. There's a few wells out here, it looks like. This one's even deeper. Don't want to fall and hit off that pipe. And then we got another building back here. We'll see what that is. We got a little barn to the right here. And then we got an old workshop, it looks like. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You can almost have a party in here. It's a wide open, clean area, to be honest. Looks like we got a third well on this property. It's got an electrical socket in it for some reason.
Let's see if it's deep.
Yeah,
It's still going. Right there.
it's a good 6 feet deep, I'd say. So now we're going through the bush a little bit, but there's another little barn back here. Kind of hard to see. Nice. Okay, so yeah, there's another barn on this property. This property just keeps going and going. Nature took over big time, but when you get into man-made stuff, it's wide open. There's like cages back here. I wonder what they're doing in here. You can tell there's a couple floors to this before too. Nature just making its way in. Okay, so now we're going through the last barn on the property because we wanted to see what this little red shack at the back was.
What's happening here? You see all these cages?
Yeah. They're like breeding dogs or doing something. They had all kinds of cages
Yeah, look
on
at all
this
this shit in
property.
there.
My little shed.
Look.
Yeah, an old collar or something. That was a nice little explorer, guys. It's weird how you can go from a major highway with tons of cars to a forgotten house with wells and garages, barns. Like, look at all this traffic, guys.